Last year we did some videos about me watching the sprinklers and trying to gauge water, right? So last year we had, I think, I'll have to show it to you, but I think it was like a $400 or $500 water bill. I'm going to show you what I think is my fix for that. You tell me in the comments what you think, if this is worth it. Let me show you. So part of this eco-friendly deal is I want to get to the point where I'm not wasting water, and I think everybody's very conscious right now of costs, right? So we're all in the same boat and we're trying to save money. I think I have an idea how to save money. Let's take a peek. It's a little expensive and it takes a little bit to set up, but I think it's well worth it. Check this out. Look at this. Oh yeah. So what that does is that's reading the weather locally. So your sprinklers go on because the system that's built into the controller says we're not gonna have rain, but it rains at your house. So what do? You overwater. You try to force it all the time and get the water to go on so you keep a green lawn. Not anymore. Accurate weather forecast means less water if your system's relying on it. It's very important to save water for cost reasons and for the environment. I mean, it's a good idea not to waste water for no reason, right? I bought this system myself. I'm not sponsored by them at all, just so you know. And I'm going to keep you posted how much it saves when the bill comes in. I have like a 2-month bill, so it's going to take a while to notice it. But my sprinkler system's going to be open in the next week. And when I'm pouring water on the lawn, at least I know it won't be raining. So you've seen a couple funny skits last year, me trying to adjust the water. That's very important. Getting it to 1 inch with your system is very important. And I'll have the video up top at the end of this video. Do the cup system where you measure how much it runs for, say, an hour. Or you could do it 15 minutes and then times it by 4. Whatever makes sense to you. But you need to know the flow and the amount of water that gets on your lawn from your sprinkler systems. You want 1 inch a week, and you want to watch how much your sprinkler runs compared to the weather. And by the way, it connects really simple. When you buy it right directly from them, and I'll post everything on below, when you buy it from them, you connect it. So after you do the setup on the weather station, which is very simple, and there's plenty of videos on that, it's super simple. You put it on a pole and you turn it on and you set it up to your house internet and it connects. But after you do that, you use the number that you got when you bought the unit, so there's no guesswork, and then that's used for your personal weather system. And then what it does, it also uses all the other units that are in the area to connect to your unit, so it knows when storms are coming, it knows lightning strikes. It's pretty interesting. You might want to do it. It's fun. It's another little hobby, but that's another whole video on. You don't need to know that. All you need to know is it connects directly as a source to tell your system when it's raining, when it didn't rain, how long it rained, when it's sunny out, the evaporation. So it definitely helps. It helps quite a bit. It's better than those sponge systems that people used to use, and it's better than the internet, which you don't know where that's coming from. They say, oh, it's got 100 different stations, and it does the weather from all these different places, but it might be 50 miles away. And if you live in a state like I do, I mean, it could rain a block over, and so this is definitely a very good solution. I would consider using it. I'm going to post another video on how this thing actually saved me money. I think this is something you should definitely look into, especially if you have a big lawn and you're wasting a lot of water and you know your bills were high last year. So for the price of this unit, you could probably recover this in 1 year, and also you're doing the environment a favor. Well, thank you very much for watching. If you're not already subscribed, do me a favor, subscribe. Hit the like button if you like the information. I'm going to be posting a lot coming soon. My weather has been terrible here, so I've been slow getting going. We'll keep you posted. Thanks a lot. I appreciate every one of you, and we'll talk to you soon.